Assalamu alaikum, namaste and vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Alright guys, so it is Sankranti and today I'm going to go to my friend's place to celebrate Sankranti. So it has been a ritual since we were kids. Either on Sankranti or Ugadi I visit this friend, and on Christmas we visit Nicey's place, and on Eid they come to my home. So this has been the ritual since the time we got friends, and today because it is Sankranti I'm going to go to Anusha's home. Not just me but everybody, and of course all my friends are gonna be there. So stay tuned till the end of the video to watch the fun. And also guys, I was getting ready for the Sankranti get together, so I thought I will quickly take you guys through how I get ready for the no makeup look. And before starting that, let me quickly show you guys what are the products that we would be using. So first of all, to moisturize my face, I'm gonna use the Nutriderm's moisturizing lotion which has vitamin E. This works amazing, not just as a moisturizer but also as a primer. So even if I'm not wearing the makeup, I will surely wear this moisturizer every single day. And just to conceal, I would be using the PAC Stake Cover Concealer in the shade Twisted Toffee, and a little of Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer. I don't know the shade number anyway. And after that, I might or might not use the NC42 by MAC Studio Fix, and later I have a contour palette again by PAC. There's a Damn Beauty sponge right here and also a regular sponge. And then I have Nykaa's eyebrow palette, and for lips I have PAC's lip primer and Sugar's the orange shade. So everybody have been asking me for the orange shade that I and my friends used in our previous video. It is from Sugar, and the shade number is 25 Rust Issues. Again, there's an angular brush right here to do my brows. Then there is Honey Bronze by Body Shop, and for eyes I would be using the eyeshadow pencil by K Beauty, and this is in the shade Plush. And then I might or might not use this. This is from the Swiss Beauty. So yeah, let's start getting ready. So now, as you can already see, I haven't done my hair. I just applied the curl cream and left my hair as it is. Just root clipped this portion so it stays away from my face. So yeah, let's quickly begin with our getting ready. I would not call this as makeup, but yeah, makeup which looks like no makeup. So here I am taking my most favorite Nutriderm's vitamin E lotion. So usually my eye area, my mouth area and my nose area gets extremely dry, so I concentrate more on those areas. Next up, I would just conceal my under eye very little. I'm sorry for looking into the viewfinder guys. And around my mouth. Again, I'm gonna keep it as minimum as possible, and either using the beauty sponge or the sponge which comes with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, I would just blend this evenly with a very light hand guys. That's it. And using the beauty blender, I'm just pushing everything in its place. And then I'm gonna take very little of the Studio Fix compact powder and just make sure that everything is blended evenly. Next, I'm gonna take the eyeshadow pencil by K Beauty and roughly draw a line close to my waterline, and then on my eyelids. Very roughly I'm gonna draw the line. Now with the help of our finger, we're gonna just blend it with a very light hand. Okay, once we are done doing that, I'm gonna prime my lips using PAC's lip primer and then the orange shade by Sugar. And the next thing, I would be just brushing my eyebrows in its place and fill in the sparse areas.
If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle.
Okay, once I'm done doing that, I'll take very little of the contour and with a very light hand I'm gonna contour my nose. Just to give it that definition. And now using the Honey Bronze by Body Shop, that's it. Now it's totally up to us if we want to do the mascara and and so I'll apply very minimal of this, maybe just with my finger. I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand like so, and with the help of my finger.
The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I'd unravel.
Okay, so this is how it looks. Off camera I would do my mascara and also do my hair, and see you guys in the car. Ta-da! I am in the car, and Ferrari, look who's here. Ta-da-ta-da.
Happy Bogi andarki.
And happy Sankranti.
Yes.
Okay.
In advance.
Yeah, video will go tomorrow, no?
Yes.
On Sankranti. So
Yes.
happy
Bogi
Bogi,
and Makara
happy
Sankranti.
Makara
Shubhakankshalu.
Sankranti. Subhakankshalu to everybody.
Yes.
I think right now we have stopped at so guys, before proceeding with the video, we'll try and keep the video maximum in English so that everybody understands, but we also talk in Telugu, Hindi and all other languages as friends, so please don't get confused. So we have stopped here to buy some gift for Anusha's son. So that's the little Singam dress. Ivala Bogi, Bogi Pallu. Bogi Pallu. Bogi Pallu is a ceremony, guys. So we are doing that today, and also celebrating Bogi Sankranti at Anusha's place with delicious Brahmin traditional food.
Homemade food.
Yeah, traditional homemade food. So stay tuned for all of that. And I know you guys are excited to meet Anusha. So stay tuned for that. Anusha, Naisi and Suchi would be joining the video very, very soon. Obviously after we reach their home.
I just realized I've built walls a mile high.
Wow.
But now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I'd unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I am strong.
నేను వడ్డిస్తున్నానండి వీళ్ళు తింటున్నారు.
మామిడికాయ పప్పు, గుమ్మడికాయ పులుసు అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని తినాలి మరి. మామిడికాయ పప్పు, గుమ్మడికాయ పులుసు అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని తినాలి. బంగాళదుంప కూర, అరటికాయ బజ్జీ, బూరె, పరమన్నం, టమాటా పచ్చడి, పులిహార, భోగి ఫుడ్ అండి. ఎలా ఉందండి ఫుడ్?
ఎలా ఉంది బావగారు ఫుడ్?
మా జై బాగుంది. మన మనమే పెయింట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అరే చేస్తాను,
వెరీ ప్రిటీ.
మళ్ళీ ఏమంటే చేస్తాను.
అంటే ఇంకా రెడీ అయిపోయినా
ఓకే.
Appu, I need some pappu.
Nicey, mine and Appu's friends, Pranish's friends. That is Meghna. Meghna, this is Nicey.
హాయ్ విఘ్న.
That is Karthik. This is Ceci on the phone.
Meghna, Appu ke akkala same faces, same features laga.
Avuna? So it's just this.
Actually same. First నేను చూసినప్పుడు I thought they are sisters. అంచ పప్పే బాగుంది కదా, వైట్ అప్డేట్ కదా. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
ఇంకా మనం పెట్టాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
అలా చేయొద్దు విష్ణు.
ఓకే. ఇక్కడే
నిజా అరటికాయ బజ్జీ చేస్తున్నట్టే.
గుమ్మడికాయ పులుసు ఏంట్రా?
అరటికాయ బజ్జీ చేసినట్టే తివారీ మిరస్ లో లోపల పన్నీర్ పెడతాడు. పన్నీర్ బజ్జీ తివారీ మిరస్ హైదరాబాద్ మస్తు ఉంటుంది.
You want with That is the beauty of
ఏంటంట
అనుష అనుష అందరం ఒక 2-3 గేమ్స్ స్పైసీగా ఆడదాం
గుమ్మడికాయ పులుసు.
కొంచెమే అంట కొంచెమే
ఫేవరెట్ గుమ్మడికాయ పులుసు.
దీనికి వెజ్జీస్ వద్దు
అరే గుమ్మడికాయ వెజ్ రే మస్త్ ఇరతా
గుమ్మడికాయ అంటే ఏంటి అసలు అది చెప్పండి
పంకిన్ పంకిన్ तू गाना नेस्तुनी गुम्मा गुम्मा मामेडी
Turn the camera.
आज गुम्मा है मामेडी भी है नाको रे नाको मेरे शर्म आता
చెప్రా చెప్రా వాట్ ఈస్ ద సాంగ్
गुम्मा गुम्मा मामेडी मामेडी पप्पू गुम्मड़काय पुलसु
Please sing the song, Gittu.
नाको रे
Gittu, please, Gittu.
संक्रांति स्पेशल सॉन्ग है
You sing.
దిస్ వీడియో ఇస్ గోయింగ్ లైవ్ ఆన్ సంక్రాంతి ఓన్లీ దట్ ఈస్ టుమారో సింగ్
गुम्मा गुम्मा मामेडी नाको रे
Please, Gittu.
అంతే ఏం లేదు
చూసి సిగ్గుపడాలా
చూసి నువ్వు రియాక్ట్ అవ్వాలి ఆటోమేటిక్ వచ్చేస్తాయి ప్రమోషన్ లుక్ నైస్
ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఎప్పుడు ఇరగాల చెప్తా మాట్లాడి ఇలా
Sunny.
న్యూస్ పేపరా
నా వాడికి లైన్ కొడుతున్నాడు నవ్వుతుంది ఇది నువ్వు లైన్ కొడుతున్నాడు నేను లైన్ కొట్టాలి కదా
దిస్ ఇస్ నైస్
అదే ఈజ్ మైన్ నాకు చెప్పు ఫాస్ట్ గా ఎప్పుడు చూడాలి చెప్పండి ఎప్పుడు చూడాలి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గర్ల్
She's from Banlaguda.
she's from
Which district?
I like what you're wearing. Ringwood, Karwan.
అంతే చెప్పాలి
They're from Villamari. They're from Katrubad. Something like that she said.
Attapur cheppu. Attapur. Attapur cheppu. Huh?
అట్లా వినపడం కూడా అర్థం కాదు ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ అనుకుంటాను
Guys, Happy New Year 2021. అంటే పతంగ్ మీద ఉంది.
Okay, Sankranti.
No, definitely it is Sankranti, but we are going to fly the Happy New Year 2021.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर
That's Kitu, guys. I'll try and insert his childhood picture so you'll know
No.
what
I thought it was not on. Happy New Year, please carry on.
what is doing. We had a lot of fun that day and the video is going to come up in parts. I'm sure you guys don't want to miss that, and I can write it and give that you guys are going to enjoy these series of Sankranti videos. Alright guys, so I'll end this video right here and see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love!
I just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my